Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials. Open GeForce Experience and make sure Share is enabled and the overlay hotkeys are set. Next, restart Nvidia-related services from Services. MSC, this resets capture hooks that often fail. Then update the GPU driver. If the problem persists, perform a clean install using the in safe mode to remove old driver remnants. These steps eliminate most software-level causes and prepare your system for deeper capture troubleshooting. Once done with drivers and services, adjust capture settings to match your game and monitor so hardware encoding isn't fighting mismatched modes. Disable HDR and exclusive full-screen options temporarily because those modes can produce black frames. Also turn off hardware overlay features in apps like Discord or Chrome. Confirm the save folder is accessible, has free space, and is excluded from real-time antivirus scanning because failed writes can result in black output. These changes address format, permission, and resource conflicts that block frames. To finish, run a short manual recording while in windowed or borderless mode. This narrows whether exclusive full screen is the culprit. If problems persist, reset GeForce Experience to defaults or reinstall it to restore capture components. As a key troubleshooting tip, try recording the same session with OBS using NVENC. If OBS records fine, the issue is GeForce specific. If OBS also fails, you're likely facing a driver or hardware problem and should test with a different GPU or seek Nvidia support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.